Hi witches! So today I am coming to you to announce a very cool project that I am going to be undertaking in the year of 2021. The last video you saw from me probably was like my quarantine videos, which I have since taken down because those were really truly like me just documenting a mental breakdown. I'm fine now, which is great, but I just took them down and they weren't really that good if you missed them, so you're fine. In 2021, I don't know if you guys know this about me, I am a practicing witch. I've been a practicing witch on and off for about 10 years, and I will be posting daily videos for a year and a day about witchcraft and the subject of witchcraft and anything pertaining to it, holidays and, you know, traditions and stuff like that. So my intention going into this is to post every day, but also to foster a community of witches who may not have a local coven or someone they can talk to or like a mentor or anything. Like, I'm not gonna be like, I am the greatest teacher, because I don't know what I'm doing. Just kidding, I kind of do, like I'm pretty good at this. But anyways, my goal is to like kind of create a community space for people who may not have a coven nearby or anything like that, and also to facilitate someone creating a book of shadows, which if you guys are completely new to witchcraft, which is totally cool, a book of shadows is basically a book where you write down any magical thinking that you might have, any intentions, any rituals you've done. It's just kind of like a really nice journal that is based on anything that you're doing witchcraft wise. So my goal is to have a complete grimoire or book of shadows by the end of the year with 366 different entries, and hopefully in that time create a really great community. So keep your eyes to the skies on January 1st, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit more in depth then. Bye guys!